Hello everyone. In this video series, we'll be solving 50 multiple choice questions in preparation for 2024 WAEC Mathematics prepared by MathsAid. Question number 1, we have a simple question involving fraction. So 2.5 is 5/2 when we convert to improper fraction plus 4/3 of 11/6 minus 1/3. Of course, we will start evaluating the expression inside the bracket. So that means 5/2 plus 4/3 of the LCM of 6 and 3 is 6. So 6 divided by 6 is 1. 11 times 1 is still 11. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. That means we have 5/2 plus 4/3 of 9/6, which is the same as 5/2 plus 4/3 times 9/6. So 3 here, 3, 2 here, 2, 2 here, 3. This 3 will cancel out this 3. That means I have 5/2 plus 2, which is the same thing as 2.5 plus 2, which is 4.5. Option D. For question number 2, we have a logarithmic equation. Log x base 3 minus log... Okay, the first one is 3 log x base 3 minus log x base 3 equals to 2. Well, if we remember the rule of logarithm that says that log a log b of m is the same thing as log b raised power a base m, which means this 3 that is before the logarithm is the power of x. So we have log x base 3 raised power 3 minus log x base 3 equals to 2. Another rule of logarithm says that when we are subtracting two logarithms with the same base, it is equivalent to the division of those numbers. That is log base 3 of x raised power 3 minus x. Since we have subtraction here, so it will become division equals to 2. That means log base 3 of x squared, x raised power 3 divided by x will be x squared equals to 2, which would mean that x squared equals to 3 raised power 2. When we have logarithm that we want to convert or change to indices, say for example we have log n base a equals to m. This m is the power, the n is the original number, while a will remain the base. That is n equals to a raised power m. So m is the power and n is the original number. So coming back to the equation, when we have x squared equals to 3 squared, the index are the same. That means the base will also be the same. That means x equals to 3. In question number 3, we have 16 raised to the power of minus 1/4. We can just convert each of these numbers into their simplest indical form. That is, we know 16 is 2 raised to the power 4, 27 is 3 raised to the power 3, and 4 is 2 raised to the power 2. So that means instead of writing 16 raised to the power minus 4, I'm going to write 2 to the power of 4, then minus 1/4, plus 3 to the power of 3, then 2/3, all over 2 raised to the power 2, then raised to the power minus 3/2. So if we cancel out this 4 at the denominator, will cancel out this. This 3 at the denominator will cancel out this. This 2 will as well cancel out this. That means we have 2 raised to the power minus 1 plus 3 raised to the power 2 all over 2 raised to the power minus 3. That is, we have 1/2 plus 3 squared is 9 all over 2 raised to the power minus 3, which is the same thing as 1 over 8. So we have 1 over 2 plus 9 divided by 2 raised to the power minus 3, which is 1 over 2 plus 9 is 9.5, divided by 1 over 2 raised to the power 3, which is 1 over 8. So 9.5 divided by 1 over 8 is the same thing as 19 over 2 times 8 over 1. 2 here 1, 2 here 4. 19 multiplied by 4 will give 76, and that's option C. For question number 4, we have a binary number in which we are expected to find the square of it. So when we want to find the square of any number, regardless of the base it is, it means that we are multiplying the number by itself. So that means we are multiplying 1, 1, 1 base 2 by 1, 1, 1 base 2. So since we have 1 as all the digits, it's quite simple. So 1 times 1 is 1, 1, 1. Again, 1 times 1 is 1, 1, 1. Again, 1 times 1 is 1, 1, 1. So I'm now left with addition. So this one is not adding anything to it, so it remains 1. 1 plus 1 in base 2 is 10. So you can write 0 and keep 1. Now, if the concept of 1 plus 1 in base 2 being 10 is not clear, we can actually use the basic principle of addition in any number system. That is, in any number system, when you add 2 or more numbers together and that answer exceeds the number base you are working with, for example, we're working with base 2, so we say 1 plus 1 originally is 2, right? So you're now going to say your answer, which is 2 here, divided by the number base you are working with, which is base 2, equals to what? We actually need the remainder. So 2 divided by 2 is 1, remainder 0. So that's why it is the remainder that we wrote right here. And 1, we are going to bring 1 over. So the one that we brought over, this one right here, plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 3, 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. That means for this line, we have 4. But we cannot write 4 since we are working in base 2. That means we would say 4 divided by 2 is what number? Remainder, what number? 4 divided by 2 is also 2, but remainder, nothing. We won't have any remainder, so that's 0. So we're going to write 0 again and bring up the 2. Remember that it is 2 that we have here. So 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 divided by 2 again is still 2, remainder 0. So we'll still write remainder 0, then bring up the 2 again. 2 plus 1 is 3. So 2 plus 1, which is 3. Now we are going to divide that 3 by 2, which is 1, remainder 1. So if I write the remainder, that means I have 1 left. So it is 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 base 2. Option D. For number 5, we have an equation here. We have 3b plus 9 plus 1 over 2 equals to 3 over 4 plus b over 4. We would say that we have our unknown at both sides. So it is just wise for us to bring the like terms together. We can bring the ones containing the variable, the unknown, which is b. We can bring it to the left side. That is, I already have 3b plus 9 already on my right hand side of the equation. So I will bring b over 4 to meet it. B over 4 originally has a positive sign. So when it's coming to the other side of the equation, it becomes minus b over 4 equals to, we originally have 3 over 4 here. So I'm going to write that first before I now bring 1 over 2 to meet it on the right hand side. So 1 over 2 coming as a negative will become, coming as a positive rather, will become negative on the other side of the equation. So it will be 1 minus 1 over 2. So we can collect, we can find the LCM. Now we can simplify by finding the LCM. The LCM of 9 and 4 is 36 because it has no common factor. That means the LCM is also the product of the two numbers. So 36 divided by 9 is 4. 4 multiplied by 3b is 12b. 36 divided by 4 is 9. 9 times b is 9b, equals to, the LCM of 4 and 2 is 4. So 4 divided by 4 is 1. 1 multiplied by 3 is still 3. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Then 2 times 1 is 2. That means we have 12b minus 9b is 3b over 36 equals 1 over 4. Now we can cross multiply. So if we cross multiply, we'll have 4 multiplied by 3b equals to 36 times 1. That is 12b equals to 36. And b is going to be 36 divided by 12. And b will be 3. So that's the value of b in the equation. Option B. Watch out for the rest of the solution to Paper 1 of the MathsAid 2024 WAEC Mathematics exam.